Welcome to another day, another learning, brought to you by Triad Electrical Services. Winter storms in North Carolina can be unpredictable, which makes emergency preparedness especially important. But preparation isn't just about winter. Power interruptions and emergencies can happen any time of year. That brings up an important question. Should you rely on a portable generator or a standby generator? In this video, we'll tackle the difference between portable and standby generators, the pros and cons of each, and how to decide which option makes the most sense for your home. Let's start with portable generators. You can see a lot of brands in the market that sell this type of generator. A portable generator is a temporary power source that you set up when needed. Most run on gasoline or propane and are started manually. They're commonly used to power essential items during short-term emergencies. And these are the advantages when you opt for a portable generator. It has a lower upfront cost. You don't need to install it permanently to use, so it would be easy to move and store it once no longer needed. And it can power essentials like refrigerators, lights, and small heaters. However, safety is critical. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the Consumer Product Safety Commission, portable generators must always be operated outdoors and away from windows and doors due to the risk of carbon monoxide exposure. I already talked about the pros, so now let's go over some of the disadvantages. Portable generators require manual setup. They have limited power capacity, so they usually can't power an entire home on their own, and they require refueling. But if you think about it, these are things you typically deal with only during emergencies. So whether this is truly a disadvantage really depends on your needs and expectations. If you want to connect a portable generator directly to your home's electrical system, you'll need the proper equipment. You need a licensed electrician to install a generator inlet box and a panel interlock kit. The inlet allows you to plug the generator into your home. The interlock prevents the main breaker and generator breaker from being on at the same time. This is extremely important. The National Fire Protection Association, through the National Electrical Code, requires safeguards to prevent backfeeding, which can energize utility lines and create serious hazards. Moving on, let's talk about standby generators. A standby generator is permanently installed outside your home and connected directly to your electrical system through a transfer switch. Unlike portable generators, standby systems activate automatically when needed. They can power heating systems, refrigerators and freezer, medical equipment, or most or all of your home, depending on size. Organizations like the Federal Emergency Management Agency emphasize proper backup power planning as part of emergency preparedness. Standby generator installations require panel integration, require permits and inspection, and must be installed by a licensed electrician. They're ideal for homeowners who want seamless automatic backup power. Now, let's compare both. If you're considering a portable generator with an interlock system, it has a lower upfront investment, it has a manual startup and operation, it only powers selected circuits or essential appliances in your home, and requires a licensed electrician to install the inlet and interlock properly. If you're considering a standby generator, it will have a higher initial investment compared to the portable generator. It operates fully automatically, with no need for manual interaction to activate. It can power all or larger portions of your home. It also requires professional electrical installation, permitting, and inspection from the city or county you are in. Both options can provide reliable backup power when installed correctly. The real difference comes down to how much power you need during emergencies, how much convenience you want, and what level of preparedness makes you comfortable. Emergency preparedness is about planning ahead. Whether you choose a portable generator with a properly installed interlock and inlet, or a permanently installed standby generator, both options require installation by a licensed electrician to ensure safety and compliance with electrical codes. Don't risk the safety of your family by attempting panel modifications or generator connections on your own. Proper installation matters. If you're in Raleigh or anywhere in the Triangle area, feel free to call us with your electrical needs. We're always happy to help. For more another day, another learning videos, feel free to subscribe. And if there are any topics you'd like us to cover next, drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching and stay prepared.